Yep, and you didn't read wrong. This is now, temporarily for the holidays, the Jingle Cruise. So I'm going to film in that format. They spruced it up with lots and lots of Christmas decorations. So let's see how much the ride actually changed. Oh, and it looks like they gave each boat a new name for the Christmas holidays. And that one's over there is called the U-Log. You don't quite see it. Be cool. Let's go see.
With that being said, we're now turning to your boat already in progress.
Yeah, so there's the main guest services at City Hall way down at the end of Main Street. You don't want to go down there. Go to that one.
Goose. Very preserves. That'll be $39.95 and it's already been billed to your magic bands. I'm kidding. Okay, get in everybody. Ho ho ho. Come all the way down. Jingle all the way down. Sweetie, right here on this square, okay? There you go. Great. And right here by my foot, bud. Yep, that's great. Alrighty, come on in, friends. Come on in. We're gonna try to stuff this boat like a stocking. Alright, come on in, slide all the way down. You know, the more you slide, the less I have to clean later, so, yeah. Well, I have a few safety instructions, so keep those hands, arms, feet, and legs in the boat at all times. Stay seated throughout the whole cruise, and parents, watch your kids, because I'm not gonna. And you know, Santa, he's watching all of us, so. Alright, I need everybody to have a seat for me, please. On their back pocket. I need everybody to remain seated. Hi, bud. Have a seat there, please. There we go. There we go. Okay. Well, looks like we are clear to go. Pick up your favorite hand wave by the nice people. And the naughty one. Skipper Quinn. Oh, have a seat there. Oh, it's okay. Alright, there we go. Skipper Quinn. Santa knows what you did. Yeah, I told him. Sorry. Okay. Well, we're going to have some good old-fashioned fun today. Yeah. By good old-fashioned fun, I mean we're going to go out in the jungle and find some airdropped cargo that missed its target. Yeah, you see, us Skips have been homesick for the holidays, so we asked our parents for presents, yeah. And they sent them to us, but the airplane dropped them off in the jungle instead of on the dock. So we got to go find them. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Well, I am Skipper Brian. Yeah, I'm going to be your skipper and your ho-ho holiday host until New Year's. Yeah. If you see New Year's Day, this boat was afloat in the parade, so God, have you back by then. Yeah, but until then, well, we're together for the holidays, so yay. Okay, well, we're here on the Amazon, guys. It rains 365 days a year here. Yeah. You want to know why this is Santa's favorite place? Because he loves reindeer. Yeah. And that's Inspiration Falls over there, and it's called Inspiration Falls because, well, it inspires even the biggest Scrooges to sing along. Jingle Cruise, jingle all the way. No. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. The rest of you, we can do better than that. Yeah. Alright, anyway, we're switching rivers and continents now into the Congo River in Africa. Yeah. Let's see how far we can go, shall we? Yeah. Oh, you know what? I think I see what the villagers got for Christmas. Yeah, canoe. I can. Yeah, I kind of want one myself, really. Because I'll have to tell Santa. I don't know. Oh, that is not what I ordered from Amazon Prime. Yeah, you see, I ordered a partridge. In a pear tree. Yeah, but maybe that's one of my hidden presents. It's all wrapped up with a bow on top. Oh boy. Oh wow, what a sight that is to see. Reminds me of Christmas with the in-laws, really. Yeah. And people ask why we put the gorillas at the present wrapping station, and I tell them because, well, the turnover's been fantastic. Yeah, really it has. Anyway, we've entered the Nile River now. Yeah, that is the longest river in the world. And it's a little hard to navigate this time of year. Yeah, it's got a strong Yule tide. And the elephants up here, well, they've been naughty all year. Yeah, we tried to tell them, and they're in denial. Yeah, you know, oh yeah. You see, they've got solos in the holiday Christmas choir coming up, but they're having some issues with the high notes. Yeah. You're almost there. Yeah, not really. I don't know. I give it about a 4 out of 10. What do you think? 4. It's fair. Yeah. Okay. Well, this is the African belt, you guys. And let's see what we can see. Oh, you know what? I think those guys put on their winter coats. Yeah, I guess they didn't want to catch pneumonia. And that family of lions looks like they're having their favorite holiday feast. Zebra on the rocks. Blood rare. Poor guy. So here's the deal with the guys up ahead. You know, they've been trying very hard for a very long time to put the star on top of the Christmas tree up there. Yeah, but what do I know? And those hyenas, well, they're a special breed of hyena. They're called elf hyenas, and that's because they're Santa's little yelpers. Yeah. But anyway, friends, it's about time for the Jingle Cruise's rendition of Silent Night. Really, I know. Well, here's another song for you guys. Deck the falls with folks I'm hauling. La 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 la. Yeah, I'm kidding. But there's some mist there. Yeah, and I hate to say it, but a lot of bacteria in there. Yeah, hey, don't worry though. We'll go over it later. Yeah. Oh, wow. You know, it looks like planes have been grounded again. Huh. Don't you love holiday travel? Yeah, it's the worst, I know. Okay, well, looks like we are entering a hippo pool. Yeah, these guys have also been naughty all year. They sink at least a boat a week, and I know it because, well, unfortunately for all of us, it's usually mine. Yeah, but the naughty ones, they kind of wiggle their ears, so keep a lookout for me. If you see any ear wigglers, let me know. No. Alright, well, guess we're good to go then. Okay, well, I have a bit of a sad Christmas tale to tell. So if you look up ahead here to the right, you're going to see some skulls in that canoe over there. Yeah, well, that was my last crew. Yeah, you see, they didn't believe in Santa. Poor guys, I tried to tell them, I did. Anyway, say hi to Dancer and Prancer. Yeah, and the little drummer boy. Hey. Yeah, what's up? Okay. Oh, it's Christmas carolers. Well, don't fail me now. All right, let's just keep going here. We're going to ignore them. Yeah, I don't do Christmas carolers. But anyway, here's what you all waited for. I know it. You know it. We all know it. Here it is. The backside of eggnog. There it is. Oh. Yeah, that's the one. I know. Really warms the heart, doesn't it? I know. Okay, well anyway guys, we've entered our final river now. Yeah, the Mekong River in Cambodia. And, you know what? I think that's Santa's workshop up there. Yeah, should we go in? Yeah? Santa won't be mad at us? No? Okay. I'm a little nervous, but I guess we can hope for the best. Oh, you know what? We should not have eaten all those candy canes earlier. There's a root canal in here. Yeah, let's hope for the best. Santa's workshop. Yeah. Anyway, we've entered an Indian elephant bathing pool. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that all the baby elephants want for Christmas is their 2 trunk teeth. Yeah. And you know, usually we shower her with gifts, but this year we decided to give her the gift of showering. Yeah, she needed it. And the guys up ahead, you know, they like to spread a little extra holiday cheer every now and again. Oh no, Squirt, you stay right there. Yeah, Santa's watching you. That's what I thought. Go right down there. Yeah, no. Santa's, you know, naughty list, whatever. Okay, well guys, it's about time that I point out my favorite jingle plants. All right, here we go. Yeah, that was that. Yeah. Okay, well, over here is Trader Santa. You see, he's our head salesman here in the jungle, and he's got a whopping deal for you guys since it's the holidays. Yeah, it's 3 of his heads for only 1 of yours. Yeah, because either way you slice it or dice it, you know, you always come out ahead. Yeah. And you know, he had me and my boyfriend over for dinner last week. I said, Trader Santa, you know, your wife made a beautiful fruitcake. He said, yeah, I'm gonna miss her. I'm kidding. I don't have a boyfriend. Or khaki every day. Yeah. But anyway, guys, you know, it's about time for the most dangerous part of our Jingle Cruise. Yeah, the return to civilization. So, make sure we're keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs in the boat for me at all times. And stay seated until we get up to the dock. But anyway, guys, you're going to notice there is 2 docks up there. Yeah, that's called a paradox. Yeah. And the holiday hams that will be helping you out of the boat, well, they're paradorks. Yeah, we don't tell them I told you that, okay? It's our secret. Yeah. But anyway, guys, you know, you've been outstanding, you really haven't. Here in a minute, I'm going to need you outstanding on the dock. Yeah, because I gotta go around. And around. And around. You know, you see, you know, I'm here every 10 to 12 minutes, so, yeah. Pass by the Jingle Cruise later, I can't say that I blame you. Yeah. Oh, boy. Okay. Well, guys, let's see here. It's been real. Yeah. It's been fun, maybe, yeah. And maybe some people would say it's been real fun, yeah. But you know what? After a cruise like that, I guess there's really only one thing left to say. Yeah, and that's, go ahead and get out. Like, that's rude. Please, get out. Yeah. All right, bye-bye, everybody. Watch. Oh, pity applause. Thank you. Yes, I know. I deserve it. Go ahead and stand on up, everybody. Help that boat balance for us. And, you know, that way if we sink evenly at least.